We've just had this car arrive into stock. It is absolutely fantastic. It's a very rare BMW M235i. Absolutely rare to come by. This is very price range as well. One owner from new with a full BMW service history. It just doesn't get better than that. The vehicle's in superb condition. No stone chipping or anything on the bonnet. It's got the front park distance control. M Sport alloy wheels complemented with the blue M Sport calipers. Nice little M badge there. It is running on Michelin Pilot tyres all the way round. So no budget tyres, no, you know, this car's been very well looked after. Reverse park sensors. You've got the rear diffuser with the twin exhausts, the lower lip for the spoiler. Can't even see a parking dent on the car. It's fantastic condition. Boot area is in fantastic condition. We've got the original carpet mats there as well. I've not even cleaned this car properly yet. It's absolutely lovely condition. Plenty of space in the rear for two. Full leather interior. Just started up. Some 87,448 miles. All the warning lights go on and off. If I scroll through the iDrive here, service required, service history. It's all on the iDrive. 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. All there for you. Also, this vehicle does have factory fitted satellite navigation, full media pack, telephone for Bluetooth, got heated seats, got climate control, different ways of driving it, fast or slow, not that this will ever be slow, multifunction steering wheel with the M emblem on the steering column. Sounds absolutely lovely. And an AUX and USB there as well. So to recap, one owner from new, full BMW service history, running on Michelin Pilot Sport tyres in stunning condition. At DJH we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.